Okay, I'm ready to see the camera feed. Go ahead and show me the E1 error on your humidifier. I'll watch for the code and see if I can spot what's going on. I see the E1 error on the humidifier. The most common cause is a problem with the water level float. It's that white piece right in the middle of the base. Is it moving freely or does it seem stuck? Okay, if the float is moving freely, the next thing to check is the water quality. Sometimes hard water can build up and interfere with the sensor.